Today, we are going to make a fluorescent green and black firefighter kilt. First, we will complete all the essential items that are helpful in manufacturing, like a sewing machine, scissors, measuring tapes, a ruler, fabric, snap buttons, reflective tape, and a zip closure. In the first step, we select the fabric, which is fluorescent green and black. After that, we cut the green fabric and make the front apron. Then we cut a pair of reflective tape and sewn it on the middle throughout the kilt. Then we make pleated panels and stitch them together. In the second step, we make a waistband and sew the front apron and pleats across the top. After that, we cut black and green fabric and stitched it together to make side and back pockets. Then we take snap buttons and punch on the top front waist for the kilt fastening.